Hey guys, I just wanted to say no animals are harmed creating this video. And another thing, please be careful and ask your parents if you're doing something similar to me. And how I said before, no animals are harmed and we care. This channel is for caring about animals than harming them. Thank you for listening to this quick disclaimer. So here we go. My kitty's going a bit ahead. So yeah, I'll just go outside and yeah. Hey guys, so I'm just trying out. You can see he's sniffing already. You can see he's still training himself to do this correctly, and it's quite difficult to, teach him how to walk on a leash. So it's not that easy. So if you do plan to teach your cat on a leash, it's not that easy. Just warning you. And he's still not perfect. This is why we're walking in this tiny alleyway. He's still not used to people that much. So yeah, he's moving around a bit. You have like this little, that's where the busy bit is. Come on, baby boy. He's always cautious on me going out, side of the bit. He's getting his improvements. Don't be that scared, come on. Finally got him to kind of, step up a bit. That's a good boy. Yes, you can see he's just learning. He's not perfect. I have two cats, so it's, a bit different. Come on. You see he's very cautious. You're doing so well. I'm so proud of you, baby. Wow, you're doing so good. He's, every cat needs to sniff around a bit. Like a dog needs to sniff around, a cat needs to sniff around as well. Wow, we're super close to the edge of the road. He was never this far. I'm so proud of him. He's finally, getting better. I feel like starting his walks from here is the best. Oh, now he's scared because he heard the plane. Yes, good boy. You're walking underneath my feet, baby boy. He's very curious of the world until, yep, we're doing such a good improvement. He never went this far. I think he knows that he's on camera or something. Like he's doing so well. Now he's cautious again. I can't let him go backwards, because that'll just show him that everything can be scary. He's back to sniffing around. Okay, maybe not that foil. Might have some chemicals on it. Come on. He made a good improvement. You can see he's very worried now. He never went this far. He doesn't know where he is. And now he's going around my feet. He seems very worried. Come on. Okay, I'll let him go here. Hey, don't lay down on it. You'll get dirty. You're a white cat. And here he goes sniffing again. He's sniffing like crazy. That's a good boy. Okay, you're not going in there. Come on. We were going this way. Don't change the course of our walk. So difficult. We're back on track, everyone. Back on track. You've done good, baby boy. Nope, let's not go into a hiding place to hide in. Hey, baby. He's doing so good. Okay, don't go in there. I don't know if there's plastic materials that can harm him, so. This is how a cat behaves on a walk. And he's more stubborn than a dog. And super curious. I remember if a car just came out now, he wouldn't be that curious because he would be scared and running back home. like a baby. Okay, don't go to the pile of trash. People are pigs sometimes. They just make a big mess. Mostly if your cat steps on that, then they can get hurt. Baby, what with it? Oh, there we go. We're going back home now, and he's just walking around. It's so cute. He's so adorable and cute. So I'm gonna finish this video soon. He's done so much improvement, and yeah. So I'll try to get him this way again. Get him back to the alleyways. Oh, never mind. Come on, boy. There's a dog there. Kitty, don't lay down. There's a dog. He picks the worst moments. Come on. Pick the worst moment ever. Okay, guys, so this is where I'm going to finish the video. Come on, Kitty. Okay, so we're back home. So, okay then. Bye, guys.